Tomorrow I'll be publishing a video that shows me using the Litchi app with iOS for the very first time with no preparation. But meantime, McGonagall wrote to Queen Victoria looking for patronage and applying for the job of Poet Laureate. He was sent a letter of rejection which included the words, "Thank you for your interest." McGonagall took this to be a personal thank you from Queen Victoria and set out on the 60-mile hike from Dundee to Balmoral across mountainous terrain in the middle of a thunderstorm. On arriving at Balmoral, bedraggled and exhausted, he proclaimed to the guards that he was the Queen's poet. They told him to stop being silly and fuck off. Here is McGonagall's a requisition to the Queen. Most August Empress of India and of Great Britain, the Queen, I most humbly beg your pardon, hoping you will not think it mean, that a poor poet that lives in Dundee would be presumptuous to write unto thee. Most lovely Empress of India and England's generous Queen, I send you an address I have written on Scotland's Bard, hoping that you will accept it and not be with me too hard, nor fly into a rage, but be as kind and condescending as to give me your patronage. Beautiful Empress of India and England's gracious Queen, I send you a Shakespearean address written by me, and I think if your Majesty reads it, right pleased you will be, and my heart it will leap with joy if it is patronised by thee. Most mighty Empress of India and England's beloved Queen, most handsome to be seen, I wish you every success, and that heaven may you bless for your kindness to the poor while they are in distress. I hope the Lord will protect you while living, and hereafter when your Majesty is dead, I hope the Lord will place an eternal crown upon your head. I am your gracious Majesty, ever faithful to thee, William McGonagall, the poor poet that lives in Dundee.